Hello guys, welcome back again sa ating programang The Action Mano at sa ating YouTube channel. Migi-migi love shoutout po sa lahat natin ng mga viewers Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao all over the world. Welcome naman sa ating panibagong video, panibagong reaction mga ka-action, mga kakamping. So ito ho mga ka-action, may gusto lang ho ako na i-share sa inyo. Isa laban sa tatlo. Wow. Mukha yata ang ano ha. Oh. Sino ba itong isa laban sa tatlo? Oh, ito kasi si General Torre is tinatanong ng tatlo na si Senator Amy Marcos, si Senator Cayetano, and then si Senate Bato de la Rosa. Regarding po ito, ang pagtatanong nila or kuni-question nila dito kay General Torre, itong hindi pagpapasok daw ni General Torre kay Vice President Sara Duterte noong time na inaaresto si dating Pangulong Duterte. Ayan. So ito ha, panoorin po muna natin itong mga action.
How about you, General Torre? May violation ho ba sa arrest or detention ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
No, wala. Categorical wala tayong violate na law.
No, sir.
Okay. Can I read to you Republic Act 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested and detained under custodial investigation as well as the duties of the arresting, detaining, and investigating officer and providing penalties for violation thereof. Section F, any person arrested or detained arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation shall be allowed visits by or conference with any member of his immediate family or any medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by him, or by any member of his immediate family or by his counsel. I saw the video, sir. President Duterte was asking for his own doctors. Ang sabi nyo, hindi, may dala kayong doctor na colonel. Tama po ba?
That's one part, sir.
Yes, so
Pero
you did not allow him to bring in his own doctor.
There's another video that will show that he has his doctors from the Cardinal Santos.
Yes,
sir.
and he was saying kulang yon kasi ano pa sila, di ba? Yung iba pang doctors, pero hindi na pinayagan. There's videos from outside, yung ibang gamit, etc. Correct, sir? So, you can answer. Hindi to yes or no. So, to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial doctor. I think we have complied with 7438, sir.
Okay. It doesn't say here substantial.
We
It
have
says
complied with
here...
7438, sir.
No, sir. Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice. Hindi nyo choice. Hindi nyo choice i-limit yung doctors niya. Ang sabi nyo, substantial. So, I will clarify. Were there doctors that he requested you did not allow in? Yes
I was
or
not
no?
aware of that, sir.
Okay. You're not aware kung meron pinapasok o wala.
Kung meron siyang ibang
Okay.
additional doctors,
But I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hindi ba siya anak? Ang nakalagay dito, the person's immediate family shall include his or her spouse, fiancé, parent or child, brother, sister, grandparent, grandchild, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, etc. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon ata na kulong. Penalty clause. Any arresting public officer, employee, or any investigator who fails to inform any person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation of his right to remain silent and to have competent penalty of not less than 8 years. Ito, sa letter B, any person who obstructs or prevents any of his lawyers, any member of his family, or person arrested, detained, medical doctor or priest of his choice 4 years. So, sir, you prevented VP Sara from entering.
At the outset, sir, maraming salamat sa pagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na ito para maklarify yan, sir, dahil nung first hearing natin, sir, ay palagay ko na-explain na lahat yan, sir, at nagkaroon ng napakaraming mga...
Nung first hearing, sir, ang pinag-usapan kasi doon na lawyer, ako, upon looking at the Constitution, kaming mga senador, we cannot appear before the court, but we can practice. Pero ang presidente, vice president, cannot practice. So, kasama na ako doon at yung ibang nagsabing abogada, pero nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them from visiting. And nakita ko yung video, but sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, 2-star, sir, ako na. Ako nagdesisyon nito, sir. I don't know if you use the word ako mananagot. So, simple lang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I expound on this, sir, before I answer the yes,
Yes,
or
go
no,
ahead.
sir? Thank you, sir. Kaya ako yung nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound yan, sir. Dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, ng mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, mag-aalas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody. The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We are expecting her. Actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang, may information na darating siya. And kung gusto talaga nilang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir, eh. Kasi
Hinadlangan mo nga eh, di ba?
Ma'am, sinundo,
Parang
ma'am, sa loob ng
Sinabi
Villamor.
nga ninyo na hinarang, di ba?
Yes,
niyo,
ma'am. Ito,
kasi
mama,
gabi na,
I
matagal
did.
na.
I did, ma'am, I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the President that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
kasi
mo
nga naman,
makapasok, pero
ma'am,
sa kabilang
sandali, ma'am.
dako sinabi mo you prevented her. Alin ba talaga?
Let me clarify, ma'am. Hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am, eh.
Hindi, iba-iba lang yung sinasabi mo eh.
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede. Kung pwede, ma'am. Okay lang. Kasi, ma'am,
Madam Chair,
meron tayong...
I think the resource person is
If you will allow me.
ah,
Sir, if you will allow me. Sir,
yaw.
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga, but please.
eto, sir, after all was being said and done, yung sasakyan ni Hanilet, sir, and 5 other vehicles, nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang eroplano nasa bukas pang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang tumayong balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, naku, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, si Hanilet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage. Bakit nila sumabay dun, sir, sa tarmac? Bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Alam mo, Madam Chair,
Sir,
Nick,
Sir.
you
That's a new
ibig mong
information,
sabihin
sir.
kung pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the former president.
Okay,
The reason for that,
you prevented VP Sara from entering.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because the reason for that is that 12 hours na ang nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics.
Nick,
I cannot allow that.
Madam
Otherwise,
Chair, Nick,
magiging magulo pa ang situation,
Nag-expire
sir.
pala yung karapatan ng akusado.
may expiration date pala yung karapatan ng anak na bumisita sa kanyang tatay.
Sir, we do believe, ako, sir, personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise ng
So it's your
aking
call.
mission.
So it's your call to
Yes,
violate
sir.
the law.
Yes,
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binasa ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Oo.
Anong konteksto?
Anong
Kasasabi
konteksto
mo
mo?
lang, talagang hinadlangan mo yung pagpasok eh.
Mr. President, I won't belabor the point kasi sinagot nyo naman, sir, yung tanong ko. Kasi nga, going back to Ambassador Lacanilao, that's a violation of the law. If you look at the law, it says arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. Kung arrested lang to, baka may lusot, 12 hours, 6 hours, matagal na. Pero ang nakalagay sa law kasi, you cannot deny pag arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. No if, no buts tong batas na to because nga, in the past, lalo pagka, wala pa namang internet masyado nito eh. 1992, no? Wala pa masyado yung mga, bago pa lang yung mga, cellphone na ba nito or ano? But ang point, sir, there's no exceptions here. So that's a matter of defense kay General Torre.
So yun na ho mga ka-action, mga kakamping clone, narinig na po natin ang depensa ni General Torre. Tama naman po yun. ito kasing isa sa mga napapansin natin sa mga resource person na hindi nga po muna tinatapos ang kanilang mga sagot o pagpapaliwanag, i-intercept na nila. But anyway, ganun ho talaga kapag Senate hearing o maging sa Kongreso, ganun ho talaga yan mga ka-aksyon, no? Ang katanungan ho natin dito, 'di ba, naka-break ang Senado, 'di ba? Kasi ang nagiging reason nga ho doon sa way back tayo sa sa impeachment trial sa Senado dapat kay Vice President Sara, no? So naka-break ang ating mga senador, pero dito nagtatanong lang naman tayo, pero bakit dito dito tungkol sa pagka-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte is pwede naman agad-agad pala mag-hearing mga ka-aksyon, mga kakampeng. Di ba? So, ano pa man ang wala ho tayong magagawa. Hihintayin ho natin kung ano po ba ang kahinatnan dito sa pagpapahiring ni Senate Amy Marcos regarding sa pagpapaaresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte. So, yun lang ho mga ka-action, mga kakamping no, share ko lang ho sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga viewers Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si The Action Man. Good evening, everyone.
Beautiful.